Let's find out how to use Google Tasks in Gmail and never miss a task. Google Tasks is a simple yet powerful task management tool that can help you to stay organized and on top of things. To use Google Tasks from Gmail and never miss a deadline, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Gmail on the web. Step 2. In the right-hand sidebar, click the Tasks icon. Step 3. To create a new task, click the Add a Task button. Step 4. Enter a name for your task and, optionally, a due date and time. Your new task will now appear in your Google Tasks list. You can edit, complete, or delete tasks at any time. When you have completed your task, simply click on the circle icon and mark your task as complete. Here's a pro tip. You can create a task using an existing email. Open Tasks from Gmail's sidebar, and then drag and drop any email into the tasks list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.